In the state of California, the penalties for assault and battery vary widely. If your case is filed as a misdemeanor, the penalties could include fines, probation, and even jail time. However, if your case is filed as a felony, the punishment could extend far beyond and can result in years of state prison. If you are arrested in the state of California for a domestic dispute involving your significant other, you can be charged criminally under different codes. You could be charged either with battery on a spouse, which is a Penal Code 243, or you could be charged with domestic violence, which is Penal Code 273.5. The penalties for a domestic violence case are far greater than the penalties for the battery against a spouse. For example, most of the time when you're convicted of a 273.5 domestic violence case, you are unable to own or possess a firearm for many years, and in most cases for the rest of your life. Also, the jail terms and fines can be much larger. In the state of California, the penalties for possession of drugs, sales or trafficking of drugs can be severe. The penalties can include fines and mandatory classes, perhaps rehab, and in many cases, the more severe cases, such as the sales and transportation, can lead to lengthy state prison terms. In the state of California, there are many theft crimes that range from simple petty theft to grand theft to burglary and even robbery. The state of California has some of the most serious gun laws in the country. They can lead to serious consequences, from the most basic of just possessing a firearm to possessing a firearm while committing a crime, and the worst being committing a crime with a firearm. In the state of California, conviction of sex crimes can lead to jail time, lengthy state prison times, mandatory registration as a sex offender, and even parole. In California, there are specific laws against vandalism, damaging property, and trespassing. The penalties for violating these laws can include probation, can include restitution, and even jail time. In the state of California, it is a crime to resist or obstruct an officer in his duty. The penalties for such can range depending on the severity of the actions, can result in probation, jail time, and if severe enough or aggravating circumstances, can lead to felony charges that can include prison time.